In this part, I'll show you how to use the RDS for MySQL backup and restorations. So first, let me show you how to set the auto backup policy. On this instance details page, on the left column, go to the backup and restorations. Then click intra-region backup policies. Here you can configure the backup policy, and you can configure the time window. It's recommended to set the time window during the service low peak. And you can set the backup cycle by selecting the days in the week that you want the auto backup happens. And you can also set the retention period, and this means how long the backup file would be kept after creation. So you can increase or reduce the period. And notice that to ensure data integrity, even after the retention period expires, the most recent backup file will be retained. So after confirming the configuration, click OK. And you will see a warning. Basically, it's telling you that after you reset the retention period, the existing backup files will be deleted upon the new expiration date. So be careful of that. And if you're confirmed, click OK. And the new auto backup policy will be set. And next, let me show you how to create a manual backup. So you just simply click the Create Backup button here. And you can name your backup file and add descriptions. And it will backup the database status at the current moment. So click OK. And now the manual backup is being created. Next, I'll show you how to backup using a backup file. So on this page, you will see the list of all the manual and automated backup files you have for this instance. So you can select the backup file that you want to restore. So for example, check this manual backup file and then click Restore. And you can select either restore to the new instance or restore to the original instance. So for example, if you want to restore to the original instance, then you just need to check the box and click Next. If you want to restore to a new instance, after you click Next, it will lead you to the purchase page. So basically, you need to go through the similar process as the purchase process by selecting all the settings and configurations for the new database. And after having selected all of these settings, click Buy and check in the box and click Submit. And the backup will be restored to the new instance.